Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Vern, and today we're going to be talking about the FM9 right here. By the way, it's not loaded whatsoever, but we always want to make sure. Always want to make sure there's nothing in there. Always make sure. But anywho, I want to give a shout out to Foxtrot. Thank you for sending me this weapon because I truthfully didn't know it was this fun to actually use it. So today, I'm going to hop into it. This is the 7-inch barrel. I don't know if you can see. Boom. 7 inches. Yes, it has the, the little stock brace. Regular, simple. All together, I love this gun. I only shot about 1,000 to like 500, 1,500 rounds in it so far. And so far, I'm going to tell you, there has been no misfires. I haven't had any jams. Nothing bad or wrong about this gun. It's all the way around 100%. The caliber it shoots is 9mm. It's pretty cool. I actually love it. It ain't pretty cool. I love it, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, man. I ain't even gonna cap y'all on that one, man. It's pretty fun. So, yeah, today I'm gonna get into the attachments that I added to it. I didn't really add it too much. I just actually got the gun last week. And so far, I only put a 6-hour red dot on there. So far, that's the only thing that I put in. But other than that, I don't know if I want to add any more. Like, I'm already pretty psyched with the side charging. Is so like on the side right here, that's how you reload the gun. That's pretty cool. Like, I haven't really seen that on an AR pistol so far yet. Normally, I see, like, the charging, right here at the back, like a normal, AR-15, but that's not the case here. That's pretty cool. There ain't no clip in here. That's why I'm, like, handling the gun that way. There's nothing already checked in the beginning, so that's the only reason why I'm, like, handling the gun this way. By the way, don't handle a gun this way. Always make sure you keep the barrel pointed the opposite way from you at all times. If there's somebody in front of you, always make sure you point it at the ground. I'm just saying. I don't know too much about the gun, but all I know is it has a standard safety and fire right here. Yes, sir. Got the standard, safety and fire. The red dot so far is pretty accurate. I haven't really had to screw anything back together. Like, I had seen recent reviews, I'm not going to say any names. People have to, like, retighten their bolts on this gun. Me, so far, I haven't had to retighten anything. I just go out there to the range and just shoot. So far, man, this is a very, very wonderful AR pistol all the way around. They come in 5 inches. They come in 7 inches. I had grabbed the 7-inch because I didn't think the 5-inch was going to be, like, really durable for my hand. But this one, I will say, to rate out of 10, I give this one, an 8 out of 10, man. It's just the only reason why I give it 8 out of 10. It's just because it doesn't come with the clip. Everything comes with the gun. It doesn't come with the red dot. It just comes like this, stocked. It comes with this, of course, the side charging. That's how the gun is customized. They do not all come like that. You could also order, some, right here that come regular with this charging thing right there at the back. But I just love this gun, and I will say, I will show you a shooting video here soon. I'm just giving a review about the gun. It's by far one of the best 9mm AR pistols I ever shot. And I know people don't really like 9mm AR pistols and stuff like that. They really like the 223s and the 5.56. But I will say, if you like, if you're into like 9mm, I will not tell you not to buy this gun. You need to buy this gun from Foxtrot. I will put the link and everything in the description for where you can get the weapon. I don't know if it's sold out, but this is one of the weapons that you truthfully need. This was not in Vegas. I had got this shipped from Texas. So you can't just walk into a store in Vegas out here and just purchase this item. Yes, this was shipped online. Pretty much, I kid you not. I just got to show you a shooting video and how I really shoot, how it operates. And that's all I have to say about this one.